Well, amid China's economic slowdown and record low foreign investment, India's stock market is riding high with billions of dollars pouring in from investors. Take a look at our next report for more on this.
Investors are flocking to India's stock market as China's economy experiences a slowdown. With over $20 billion in foreign inflows last year alone, India's equity market is witnessing significant growth. While China's Shanghai Composite Exchange declined by 13% over the past year, India's benchmark BSE Sensex index surged approximately 17%, showcasing a stark contrast in market performance. Global financial institutions like Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs have identified India as a prime investment destination. This sentiment is reflected in the Morgan Stanley Capital International Index, which recently raised India's weightage to a record high of 18.2%. In contrast, China's weight on the index has decreased to 25.4% over the past year. This signals a shift in investor preference towards India's thriving economy. We earlier spoke to Mr. D.P. Singh, Deputy Managing Director at SBI Mutual Funds at the WION and Z business event Insight. We asked him about what he thinks of India's growing investment landscape. This is what he had to say.
See, India is in a very, very sweet spot. Everybody is talking about this, not my new phrase, but this is actually so. Every day in the morning when you get a newspaper or when you look at any media, you open any news portal. So the first thing comes in the IPOs. More and more companies are coming into the public domain. More and more businesses are getting into especially into the greener energy area, especially into the new businesses, new kind of businesses. So there are a lot of businesses which are mushrooming. And see, Indians have a chance. Indians have the actually not only the capability, but the chance to there's so much available for people to make money and in the markets and the businesses. So businesses will grow. Our demography is in our favor. The many more people are joining the bandwagon of the working population. So all this is making us as one of the brightest spot.
While acknowledging the possibility of short-term volatility, analysts predict continued growth for the Indian market in 2024, with some even projecting double-digit gains. They point to factors like the expected re-election of Prime Minister Modi, who could ensure policy continuity, and India's relative resilience to external shocks. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.